Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you this 2021 Bennington 22 GSR with the SPS Tri-Tune Performance Package. This boat is the metallic silver color with the granite syntex interior and carbon accent, silver seagrass flooring. This boat is powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine. I really like how it has the 20% cutouts for the cup holders and speakers. Also a nice little well down there to put your sunglasses or wallet or sunscreen. Removable bow table. The GSR floor plan has the captain and co-captain seat with the stern radius wraparound seating because we have the bow filler cushion in there. You can remove this seat and move it to the bow if you'd like. This boat has the elevated console with the Kicker Bluetooth stereo system and Simrad dash that is connected to the engine to display all your engine information as well. Chart plotter, GPS. We did the RBG colored lighting package on this, so all your cup holders and speakers will illuminate in a variety of colors. Of course, you got the ski tow bar because this boat has plenty of power to pull the skids on tubes or skis or wakeboards. It's got the extended aft deck with the rear entry boarding ladder. It's curved, so it really makes it easy to get on and off this boat from the water. Of course, it comes with a full boat cover and a 10-foot long bimini top. Please come by the dealership. Check this boat out. Got it inside the showroom floor right now. Thank y'all.